Recently, the wonderful folks at Chalkola sent me their new acrylic paints to try out. While I'm primarily a watercolor artist, I always want to try new things, and these acrylic paints are said to be water-based and non-toxic, and that sounds really great. And they have all these incredible colors, very brilliant. I also received these canvas, and I noticed that they can be used for acrylic, oil, and watercolor. So I thought maybe I should do a mixed media approach and see what happens. So here I come. I actually put on the first wash of watercolor. That makes me more comfortable with this new canvas and new paints. So I actually really like how the color flows on the canvas, and the fusion is really nice too. So I thought to try to paint the elephant in watercolor first and see what happens. Well, I realized that's not really working for my usual method of watercolor because the paint seemed to be moving around when my brush touched it rather than staying in place on the usual watercolor paper. So I was still trying to make it work, but it just didn't work out. Alright, now let's try the acrylic and see what happens. must say that I really enjoyed working and painting with this acrylic paint. It's really beautiful. The colors are brilliant. And I also like to paint in mixed media, and I'm feeling new ways to experiment with watercolor and acrylic paint together. So, what do you think? Do you like to paint in acrylic or mixed media yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to learn from you as well. Happy painting!